never stands still. As we move through various stages of life, our requirements and those of our families change constantly. We do our best to take care of changing needs of our family. Also, we need to protect our family from the uncertainties of life. Tata AIA Life's Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan provides financial protection for your family and a monthly income that meets tomorrow's requirement. Will this plan fulfill your future needs? In this video, let us evaluate this plan. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Tata AIA Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. In this video, let us evaluate the features, maturity benefit, death benefit, advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan. Let us also evaluate the policy in terms of return and compare it with other investment return. First, features of Tata AIA Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan. You can choose a convenient policy term, either it could be 5 or 8 or 12 years. You can receive guaranteed income for 10 or 16 or 24 years. Receive monthly income ranging from 8.35% to 13.03% per annum of total premiums paid. Larger premium will boost or increase your monthly income. Enhanced protection with optional riders is available. The plan is eligible for tax benefit as per Section 80C and 1010D of Income Tax Act. Next, we shall evaluate the benefits under Tata AIA Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan. Maturity benefit. Provided the policy is in force and all due premiums have been paid, guaranteed monthly income is payable in arrears during the income term, starting from the end of first month after the end of policy term. It is determined as a percentage of total premiums paid, depending on your age at entry and the chosen policy term. The income term shall be double that of the policy term. 10 years income term for 5 years policy term, 16 years income term for 8 years policy term, 24 years income term for 12 years policy term. Next is death benefit. Death during policy term. In case of death of life assumed during the policy term, provided the policy is in force, sum assured on death is payable to nominee. Sum assured on death means the highest of the following: 11 times the annualized paid premium, 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death, guaranteed sum assured on maturity, absolute amount assured to be paid on death. In case of death of life insured during the income term, all the future guaranteed monthly income shall be payable to the nominee. The nominee also has the option to receive the commuted value of future guaranteed monthly income payable in the form of lump sum at the time of death of life insured, discounted at 7.5% per annum. Next, we shall analyze the advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan. Advantages. The monthly income can act as a second source of income. Loan facility is available to a maximum of 80% of surrender value. Income benefit is not interrupted due to the death of the policyholder. It just continues to the nominee. You have the flexibility to enhance your cover by adding optional riders to your base policy. Disadvantages. The income benefit is receivable on a monthly basis only. Annual mode is not available. Sum assured is too low. You can't enjoy the benefit of this policy in lump sum amount. That is one-time benefit. Only a staggered payment option is available. The death benefit is available only during the premium paying term. It is not available during the income term. The income benefit is very meager and it is not adjusted to inflation. Under Tata AIA Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan, you pay a premium on an annual basis, but the income benefit is receivable on a monthly basis. Since the payment is staggered for a longer period, you need to figure out the internal rate of return for this plan. This will help you to decide whether this plan is beneficial in terms of return. The IRR is calculated for a benefit illustration taken from the policy brochure. A 45-year-old male wishes to opt for Tata AIA Life Insurance Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan, wherein he chooses sum assured 11 lakhs, policy term and premium paying term 12 years, annualized premium 1 lakh. If he pays the premium regularly for 12 years, he would be receiving a monthly income of Rs 9,170 for the next 24 years. The full calculation is not shown here as the income term period is too long, that is 24 years into 12 months. If we work out its IRR for this cash flow, it works out to be 4.71%. This rate of return for such a long-term investment, it is 12 years premium paying term plus 24 years income term, is not beneficial. Moreover, you receive the same income benefit in the first year and also in the 24th year. By this time, due to economic inflation, the income benefit would be minuscule. You can invest the same 1 lakh in other investments which fetch you better returns. Moreover, liquidity is a big problem in Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan. You can split the premium amount for life insurance premium and investment. Pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 11 lakh would cost 10,100 per annum. So you would be left with 89,900 per annum for investment. Risk averse investors can choose debt instruments. Investors who are ready to take risk can choose equity instruments. Here we have taken both debt and equity investment. For debt, PPF. PPF has a 15-year lock-in period with the minimum contribution of rupees 500. In Tata AIA benefit illustration, the premium paying term is 12 years and the income benefit starts in the next year. But here we have made adjustments in the last 3 years in order to meet the lock-in period. And the accumulated corpus at the end of 15 years is in PPF account as 21.28 lakhs. For equity, we have chosen ELSS fund. The annual contribution of rupees 89,900 for 12 years is made into ELSS fund. The accumulated corpus at the end of 12 years is 23.04 lakhs. This is post-tax value. Tax calculation is also given here. Now we shall move on to the next part. Under Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan, you start receiving income benefit the very next year of premium paying term. You receive a monthly income which is calculated at 9,170 during your income term. Similarly, we can invest the accumulated corpus under PPF account and ELSS fund in post office monthly income scheme. The current rate of interest is 7.4% per annum. The maximum amount one can invest in POMIS is 15 lakhs. If you invest just 15 lakhs, you get a monthly income which is calculated at 9,250. You receive this amount throughout the tenure and at the end of the tenure, the investment amount of rupees 15 lakh is returned. We would like to highlight the point that the scheme offers better regular income than Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan. Under PPF, we have accumulated corpus of rupees 21.28 lakhs. Under ELSS, the corpus is 23.04 lakhs. This can be split and invest among your family members because it has a ceiling of rupees 15 lakhs per individual. So you get a higher income benefit than Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan. You will receive approximately 13,000 and 14,250 per month under PPF and ELSS investment respectively. Moreover, as we discussed earlier, the investment amount is returned at the end of the tenure. One more alternate option is investing the accumulated corpus in a debt mutual fund and withdraw a standard amount monthly using a systematic withdrawal plan (SWP). Here you have the option to step up the income year after year to accommodate the inflation. This analysis clearly shows if you need regular income, there are better options than Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan. Here is our final verdict on Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan. This plan allows you to save for the future. It offers guaranteed income throughout the income term. Regular and guaranteed income is the only feature of this policy. The return is not attractive to lock your funds for such a long period, almost 36 years. The same feature is available in other investment which fetch you better income and offers liquidity. The small savings schemes offer better returns than Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan. If you are comfortable with the market-related products, you can opt for mutual funds. Like many policies in the bazaar, the agent may put Tata AIA guaranteed monthly income plan on your table and showcase the regular and guaranteed cash flow throughout the term. Please beware that this is for their high agent commission. You should be cautious and avoid these types of policies. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.